Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. ABCD. Colors name: yellow color, blue color, green color, orange color, pink color and neon color. Let's start. Yellow color. A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. C for carrot. D for donkey. E for eggplant. F for fish. G for goat. Blue color. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nose. Green color. O for owl. P for piano. Q for queen. R for ring. S for star. T for tomato. U for umbrella. Pink color. V for village. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. And at last, small smiley for happy kids. So kids, what we learn today? We learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, we learned yellow color, blue color, green color and pink color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video. Till then, bye.